Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I want to go over a quick tip video with you guys on how to turn on or enable email forwarding. And we'll also show you how to disable that. This is great if you're not planning to use a certain email very often, but you want to make sure that you don't miss anything. So for example, if you have a KW email, but you're primarily using a different business email, you can go ahead and turn on that email forwarding so that you don't miss any emails that might go to your kw.com email. So the first thing we want to do is log in on our gmail.com platform to our KW email. From here, we want to click the little gear in the top right corner. It should say settings if you hover over that. So we're going to go ahead and click that. Now from there, we want to, sorry about that. From there, we want to go ahead and click see all settings. And then from there, we're going to take a look at this top banner. We want to click on the one that says forwarding and pop IMAP. So that's what we want to click on. Now from here, the top option is going to be forwarding. So if you're looking to add a forwarding email address, we can go ahead and click here. And we'll just type in support at Oh, I'm just making up an email because I don't want it to actually forward right now, even though I'm going to disable it. So now that I have my address entered, though, I want to hit next. And hopefully it doesn't give me an error because it's not a good email. I'm not sure why I popped that up. Let's try this again. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm not sure why it's asking for a code, but that's okay. So yours may or may not ask for a code to authorize that to go through. So just keep that in mind. I'm going to go ahead and hit proceed. This is what it should have brought me to if I didn't have on that verification. It's just trying to keep my account safe. So from there, I have added a forwarding address. So the last thing we want to do is we want to decide what we want those emails to do in our inbox. Do we want to mark them as read? Do we want to leave them alone? Do we want to archive them or delete them from the inbox? So you get to kind of decide that and make sure you hit save after you make those changes. So if you want to mark them as archive, you can go ahead and click save changes. Now, if you have email forwarding set up, you're going to come to this the same way. So let's go ahead and hit save. It's going to bring us back. Now, in the event you want to turn off forwarding or disable that, you're going to come back into that settings section, same spot, and this time we're just going to click disable forwarding. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and click save changes. It's going to remove that, and we should be able to come back in here and see that it is not there. We can also remove this if we want to and start from scratch. So that is how you enable and disable email forwarding. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com. We would be happy to help. Have a great day.